Why do 73% of small businesses in Sri Lanka struggle with outdated systems? Time for a change. Meet Dinesh and Udaya, your new best mates in the digital world. We're here to help you digitalize your small business with free open-source POS systems. Yes, you heard that right, free. Our focus is on two incredible systems, OSPOS and Billing Book. Why do it? Because we believe every business deserves to thrive without breaking the bank. Imagine smoother operations, better inventory management, and happy customers, all thanks to powerful POS systems. And the best part? We provide full installation, training, maintenance, and consultation services. It's like having a tech-savvy buddy on speed dial. So what are you waiting for? Give us a shout on WhatsApp at 070-204-2691 or drop us an email at kdcroon@gmail.com. Let's make your business smarter together. Dinesh and Udaya, your partners in digital growth. Remember, digitalize your business, simplify your life.